this is part 2.
That one looks like a crash site.
Yeah, definitely. Or maybe it just got really old and then fell off. It doesn't look like a lot of these can be explored.
I wonder what happened to this one.
I think this one might be explorable. Yep. Oh, never mind.
What?
Wait, no, yes.
I'll help you.
I think I got it. I need to put.
This one's weird. These are cargo planes.
Stop. Okay.
Alicia, open up. The bird nest.
That's good. Tana!
What?
So annoying! Stop!
Okay.
So annoying.
Do not service over 40 gallons. I'm gonna crowbar this open.
Don't. Tana!
Yeah.
Stop! It's so
I'm
annoying!
gonna take a shower.
Just chill out, Ty.
But it's so annoying.
Okay. Oh, what if I just electrocuted myself right now? I'm just crew quarters.
Oh, I thought there was like a rabbit in there, but that's just like fluff
Is there
thing.
any electric in here anymore?
Nope.
That looks like grass. Okay.
I'm gonna flip all these on.
Ah, that's a long way down.
How do you flip these on and off? Where are you leaving?
How's
Check
it?
out the next one. Come on, Dan.
I'm gonna sit down and go. Oh god. There's not much to explore here. There's not much to explore. It's all broken and high up and terrible. Oh golly.
What's going on over there? You on the plane?
Should I try getting in this one, Dad?
You want to, bud?
Okay. Wait.
That'd be weird.
I don't know. Okay. Okay, I can't get up that. It's too like steep.
I bet you could go right in the back somewhere.
Probably.
Yeah. Yeah.
What?
I was looking at it.
It's not even a little hatch in the back. Oh. Dad, there's a little opening right here. Dad.
Come on down, Dan, please.
Dad, there's a little opening right here. It's like the other plane, but easier. I gotta pee. Not good.
What time?
I said there's an opening right here, and I gotta go pee.
Or wherever you
Okay. Let me just get in. Wait. Let me just put.
No, how you gonna get down, man? You're not doing that. No. No. Get down. That wing could break. Get out of it. Hey, Tian, I'm asking you nicely. I'm trying to do something fun for you, but you need to be safe. Huh?
Okay, I am done peeing.
What?
Oh, golly. Okay. Ow, 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 ow. Whew. Dad, come on. Oh, there's a little hole.
Let's do on the other one, Ty. This one's broken half.
I know, but it looks cool.
Alright, last one.
Yep. How am I supposed to get? Oh, I see. That doesn't look very stably.
Go for it, Ty.
How am I supposed to get down though?
Whoa, this one's cool. There's some nuke in it.
That's good.
I guess Express Scripts is fine. Alright, thank you. Alright.
I don't think I want to get up this one.
Well, I'll help you, bud. I'll be right behind you, okay?
Wait. I need to put
Here,
my
I'll hold your phone.
Okay.
So don't go up there? Alright, come on. Nah, not really.
Can I have my phone?
We're just gonna help you.
Okay, good. It's still rolling. Okay, goodbye. This is the ending of the planes. Goodbye. Forever. Just kidding.
This is a Navy